installing this wig. Very, very easy to install. I just used a little bit of my olive oil mousse around the front of the hairline. I didn't add any bobby pins on the side today because I feel like it fits me pretty snug, so I'm not worried about it going anywhere. However, if I was out, it was windy, I would definitely add some on the side for extra security so I don't have to worry about that lace kind of flapping up by the ear. But everything fits by the ear really nice now because I did go ahead and trim it down, and it swooped like really good because you can't, you know, really tell unless I just kind of lift it up like that. The powder, I didn't have to put any into the parting space area, which is really nice because they already went ahead and bleached it. And I showed you guys two styles today, which was the middle part and of course the side part. Both of them look really good. Flat iron really well. It's Yaki texture, so for me, you really don't have to do too much when it comes to Yaki texture. She's really, really cute because it makes everything lay down really flat. Now, as I was moving the hair over to the side part, I did have to go in between sections just to kind of flatten it out a little bit. And of course, I went in with a little bit of mousse at the top because y'all know when it comes to Yaki texture. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. I feel like it looks super natural. It's not doing too much, and that's okay. Sometimes you need a wig that's not gonna do too much, that's still gonna give you this my hair look.